I'm going to prepare for aloo paratha. I boiled these potato aloo, so few ingredient I'm going to add it. This is a ginger, and I added 1 clove of garlic in there. Mostly I don't add it because it's homemade, so I just add it for aroma a little bit. This is cilantro, dhanya, hara dhanya. This is a green chili right here, little bit, just half actually. Is a jalapeno, the Spanish they called from actually it come from Mexico and called jalapeno, and here is chopped onion, so it's a thin chop. uh, it can be called chop, mean double triple time chop. This is the green onion right here, and it all will go in there. So I'm going to smash manually, and right here very few things. Cumin seed, Safaid Zeera, I crush it just to have a little aroma. This is a garam masala. It has 5, 6 or 10, 12 ingredient in there. So here is a pink salt. This is a crushed pepper. I can add powder also, but I like to add once it's not a like a curry shorba or soup kind of. I add this little bit chili powder, but here I like to put it as crushed pepper. Right, it all purpose seasoning. Just 1 spoon. This is salt free. So I use this one. I crush manually. So it's can called old time grinder, means manually is very nice to grind and to bring aroma out. So smell is very nice. It's a coriander, suka dhania they call. So dry coriander. I crush it, so aroma came out. Here I'm going to use desi ghee, which is a cow ghee. They make it butter first before they make ghee. So that's the thing. Then I have dough already. I'm going to make it paratha. Once I will make paratha, I'm going to add it now. This one here, all, and I will smash anything, or when we cook, it's not a fry egg which will be ready within 2 minutes. So this is it takes time to cut it, all those things. He common sense all. So takes little time, sometimes a little slow, sometimes a little fast. So, but it's all is a time consumption stuff. So it's a cooking. So I'm going to make when I make paratha, I'm going to make short video that time. So right now this all ingredient I will mix it because I need both hand to use to make properly to mix it. So I'm going to make other video later.